What's your recording now?
I'm recording. Mine's big. What? Crack? That's your crack? That's crack. Goats? Goat crack. What the hell? The fuck? You didn't say that.
Shut up, dog!
I can shut it up. Stick to that hunk of bologna in its mouth. It's only that big. Actual size!
No, this is actual size.
Don't want to know what that is.
Don't even know what is.
Crack.
Cool car.
That's the liquor store. We're underage. Even though my profile says 33. Same thing.
Even though mine says 17.
I'm still not that much!
Come on, boy. This way.
Boys!
Suck.
Crack.
Don't let them in.
Oh, I can see one.
Look at the Mexican.
What?
Guys working there. He's a Mexican.
Mexican jackass.
Pause it. Let me stop it.
Pardon? Okay.
Stop it.
Hit that.